Hello friends, my name is Khan and at present time I'm in Junjunu Mandawa mode. As you can see that there are two bulls and these two bulls are fighting each other. They are showing their power. There are so many people roaming here and there. As you can see that a pickup man who is worried and he has fear that these two bulls might break his pickup, so he is taking his pickup away from there. As you can see that there are so many vegetable shops and especially vegetable seller are worried to think about that these two bulls might damage their shops. A man, as you can see, that is trying to separate them by throwing water, but these two bulls don't care about that man, that what he's doing, what he's not doing. They don't care about the people. It doesn't make any difference for those two bulls. They are showing the power. People are trying to separate them by throwing water, by throwing stone, by throwing sticks, but only mean, as you can see that both the bulls are fighting each other. Both the bulls are showing the power. Both the bulls are bent upon killing each other. A man is trying to separate them by using a stick, but holy man, as you can see that there is a great hustle bustle over there. As you can see that both the bulls are fighting each other and no one can say that who will win this competition, who will win this match, who will win this fight. No one can assume this. Now Red Bull is very aggressive and he is moving his tail again and again and he is showing his power. What will happen next? No one knows. And oh my god, a cow is standing over there. As you can see that he is trying to separate them by throwing a stick, but all is well. Now Red Bull is going back and now as you can see that Red Bull is heading towards the Black Bull and he has intention of fighting, and now he is fighting with Black Bull and he is pushing Black Bull backward, as you can see that, and he's showing his power. What a great effort is being done by Red Bull, and maybe this Red Bull will win this competition. Oh my god, Black Bull, as you can see that Black Bull has turned the table. Now he is on fire and he is showing his power and he has become dominated on Red Bull, as you can see that. And now as you can see Red Bull is going back and he is running and finally he has accepted his defeat.